Hey there, it's Lawso here, the assassin. AI doesn't eliminate jobs, it changes where the value is created. Every major technological shift has triggered the same fear. This will destroy jobs. We said it about the steam engine, electricity, computers, the internet, and every single time the opposite happened. Technology didn't eliminate work, it changed the shape of work. Machines removed manual effort. They created industrial jobs. Computers automated calculation. They created knowledge work. The internet removed friction. It created an entire digital economy. Jobs didn't disappear. Low-value tasks did. And what replaced them with roles built on judgment, coordination, creativity, and decision-making. History doesn't show mass unemployment. It shows work moving upstream. Now, here's where AI conversation goes wrong. People assume AI is different because it feels smarter. So they ask the wrong question. What jobs will AI replace? That's the wrong question. AI isn't changing what we do. It's changing where the value is created. Most businesses are using AI to go faster, write quicker, produce more, automate tasks. But speed is no longer the advantage. AI compresses execution. Output becomes abundant. And when output is abundant, judgment becomes scarce. When everyone can produce, the advantage shifts to decision-making. Efficiency used to be the moat. Now it's just the entry price. Two businesses can use the exact same AI tools. One wins, one disappears, not because of effort, but because of direction. AI doesn't reward how hard you work. It rewards how well you decide. It doesn't matter how fast you move. If you're moving in the wrong direction, so where does the new work come from? The same place it always has. Around judgment, not execution. AI creates demand for people who can frame problems, edit output, interpret signals, and make decisions. AI gives answers instantly. Humans decide which questions matter. That is why businesses aren't falling behind because of AI. They're falling behind because they lack clarity. More content doesn't mean more impact. More data doesn't mean better decisions. Automation without strategy just creates noise faster. AI doesn't replace strategy. It exposes the absence of it. So no, AI won't wipe out jobs, but it will eliminate roles built purely on repetition and execution. The future belongs to people who can think, decide, frame, and lead. AI won't take your job. Someone who understands how to use it strategically will.